Good morning and good evening, ladies and gentlemen, depending on where you're watching from. Guys, episode 3 is done and shot, and I'm happy and I'm excited. So yeah, we've got 2 weeks to work on the edits and clips and reels and have fun with it, and hopefully get a lot of more followers in. But I am actually also here to say thank you for the people that gave me the feedback, the positive and the positive negative feedback, for this podcast to run smoothly out of me, like from my brain to my heart and out. It really helped. I have ADHD, so my brain does jump from time to time, and I am going to have a 15-minute little rant on my YouTube channel about negative feedback I got about my appearance on my podcast. So please, guys, I would love you guys to maybe support me on that. Just let people know that appearance is not always everything, especially for someone like me. And I really want to say it, but I need to first focus and get all my ducks in a row before I go into this rant. But thank you guys for your time, and I'm looking forward to drop episode 3 at the end of the month after my birthday. Until next episode, I hope you guys have a stunning week. Okay, donkey, bye.